the last video, I gave you an OpenSCAD script that would generate clips for 3D printing that would hold pins. And I meant to include this, but I want to show it to you right now. And that is the 3 different models that we created. One was for a Bic round stick pin. This had an inner diameter for the hole of 8.10, and we adjusted the cutout slot by a value of 5.00. And when you get one of these Bic round stick pins, you can snap it in and out. You get about 10 of these for $2 or $3 at the store in a pack. The next model was for the Crayola marker holder. This had an opening of 14.30 millimeters, with the rest of the parameters left the same, and you can see that fits nicely on that Crayola, holds it secure. The last one was with all the parameters exactly as written in the program, and that was a 16.70 millimeter inner diameter hole for an Expo marker. So that looks in like that. Before you run it on your CNC, you do want to just check these to make sure they snap in and out nicely. Always realize that plastics could fly, so safety goggles is something you ought to wear.